Next, a rectangular cubical piece of metal of dimensions 2 cm by 3 cm by 4 cm is melted. Okay, it means there is one piece of this dimension, it is melted. Some more of the metal is added and it is converted into a cube. Okay, the cube has integral measures for its sides. Integral measures means equal sides, length, breadth and height equal. Okay, what is the minimum amount of metal that is to be added and what is the side of the cube? Okay, so here first understand the problem. This is a solid with the sides say 2 over here, length, 3 over breadth and 4 over height. Okay, this is not a perfect cube. Now what happens, we have melted this and then what happens, once you melt it, then we add some more solid to it, same solid, and then we convert it into a perfect cube. Now this is a perfect cube. It means height, if this is 3, this will be 3 and this will be 3. If this is 5, this will be 5 and this will be 5. We don't know, we have to find this only. Okay, so once you get the problem, now we can solve this. First we melt this. So first we find the volume of this cube. Volume of the original cube is 2 by 3 by 4. So multiply 24 centimeter cube. Okay, now we melt this. So after melting, will the volume change? No, volume will remain the same. Now we add metal to form a cube of equal sides. Okay, we have to add metal so that it forms a cube of equal sides. Now the question is, what is the minimum amount of metal we need to add? So which is the nearest minimum volume to 24? Which is a perfect cube? Okay, because we want equal sides now. Which is a perfect cube? So that is 27, because 3 cube is 27. So if you convert 24 to 27, then it will be a perfect square. For doing this, what do we require? Because 3 cube is 27, so we need to add how much metal? 27 minus 24, that is 3 centimeter cube. This much metal we need to add. That is the question number 1. And what is the side of the cube? So once you get the volume as 27, then the side of the cube will be 3, because cube root of 27, right? Getting this? This is 3 by 3 by 3 and earlier it was 2 by 3 by 4 something, right? Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months and you will learn them within 3 months. Mind well, these squares, cubes and tables are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exam. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.